Hey there everybody, welcome to this course where we'll be creating a GIF with the sketch and tune technique in Cinema 4D. In this introduction I want to show you guys what the sketch and tune module in Cinema 4D actually is and explain to you guys what the process of making a GIF actually is as well. So, sketch and tune is a module that's in Cinema 4D. And what it does is allow us to take that finished model and get this kind of image. But it varies things like contour and the color application to the material. So with this, we're going to be able to get some very different examples from what we're used to in 3D models. Because they're not results that are purely aesthetically what we might know as 3D. You can actually see that some artists manage to create things, well, like this. They look quite flat. It's a camera that, thanks to sketch and tune module, the artist has managed to make the contrast similar to the contrast made in Photoshop or on a graphic tablet drawing program, okay? Same with the colors. We get the same thing. The materials get this tone that's different, okay? So this module has a series of properties that if you play with, you can change the contour, make the lines wavier, make the waves like that of a brush, make it blurrier, make the material have like these color gradients. So yeah, you can get some very different results. Here is another example. In this case, we have a GIF, and here, as you can see, it looks like it's been made in Illustrator. In the end, what you get is a very different thing. It's something made in 3D, but it looks like it's been made in another program. And obviously, this gives us much more possibilities in art to make very different things. Here, for example, we can see that playing with the sketch and tune properties, the artist here has managed to get the tone that looks like it's a traditional drawing, like a painting. Here we can see that it's from Illustrator. This example too. It's very minimalist, so this is used by architects as well. So they can get their results like this one. For example, here we can see this building, for example. All right, here's the building, for example. It's an image made in 3D, but in the end result, the way the artist applied the properties of sketch and tune, we get this effect that looks like it's been drawn by hand even. This is obviously very flexible, giving users a possibility to create any effect they want in their work. This is probably the biggest advantage of using this module. Okay, here we have the GIF part. We all know what that is. It's an image that's prepared for a web, normally short videos, and well, we're going to create a casino machine and we're going to make a GIF where the lever will move, the numbers are going to show up, and the coins will fly out. So we'll make this GIF, and that's going to be the work we're going to do in this course. We're going to leave this here, and let's get started on the first model of the machine. See you guys then. Bye.